Hello, welcome to the demonstration of the purchase order subsystem of the customer relationship system. The customer relationship system is a full, complete enterprise level CRM. You can see a working demo of the system at customerrelationshipsystem.com. Today I'm focusing on the purchasing subsystem, and we'll do a quick overview of how the subsystem fits into the overall customer relationship system. It starts at order entry, where an order entry person places an order. The order is sent to the shipping department. Shipping creates picks. Picks are shipped to the customers, and the products are pulled from inventory, reducing the inventory. As inventory hits reorder points, the purchasing system is informed. They create purchase orders. When the purchase orders are received, inventory is replenished, and we have a work order system in process now, and that's used for taking items out of inventory, building other products, or maybe even repairs for a vehicle maintenance situation. I'll start out quickly. Here's our product table. I have some lines set up and some widgets set up. Here's our inventory system, which I reviewed in another demo. I'm going to deal with the black widget at this point. You can see we have a negative quantity on hand, which I allow in the system. We track everything in the system so we can see, how it got to that negative quantity on hand. So it's not really an accounting issue, because you assume as people are issuing items out of inventory, they might have a stack of POs on their desk that they haven't received yet, and so it's more or less a timing issue. So for the black widget, we're going to come into, here's a purchase order system right here. I'm going to create a PO for that. And this should have been done, obviously, when it got down to the reorder point. So, we're doing this a little late. But whoever the requester is, in this case, it's me. We have an employee table here of people that go in here. And the vendor, I'm going to say this comes from Apple. A PO number, I'm going to leave blank in this instance for now. The description is, I'll just call it order more, put whatever you want in here. Black widgets. Put as much comments as you want. Put an estimated cost. I'm going to put 195, 90, 90, and I'll put the PO date today, and I'm going to order it today, and I'll save it. So I created a PO. Now, PO doesn't have any detail. There's two ways to create a PO. You can create a PO just because I do this a lot. I create a PO just because I need a PO number, but I don't associate any inventory items with it, and that's what I just did there. But we want to create a PO, and we're going to associate it from inventory items, which is a little easier. So I'm going to come in here. I'm going to say Apple's the vendor. I'll leave the PO and all this stuff blank for right now, and you click add header, and it pulls up all of the items that are under this vendor. So I can come in here and pick the black widget, and I'm going to put 150 in inventory. I'm going to say add item. So here's my PO. I'm going to go ahead and add some more. I'm going to add 25 of the yellow widget, and I think I've got a blue widget out here. I'll add 15 of those. So we're adding multiple items to the thing. You could cancel the PO at this time if you didn't do it correctly, or we click complete PO. So it took all these are $19.95. Here's a quantities order. We rolled it up to the total price right here for you, and I'm going to say complete PO. And let's go into the maintenance screen. Let's take a look at this PO. I'm going to go ahead and sort it by PO ID. You see, I didn't put a PO number in here. I automatically, this is a unique number associated with the PO. I call it PO ID, but the PO number, sometimes I use PO numbers where I can put in the number, or if you don't put it in, the system just associates it with the PO ID. So here's a PO. We'll take a look at it. Exactly what we added. Total cost. Now this is to cancel the PO. If you cancel the PO, it won't do anything if I do that because I didn't click the button. But if you click the button and click cancel PO, it cancels the whole thing. This cancel just takes you out of maintenance mode. I'm going to go ahead and do receiving. And I'm going to do receiving for Apple. So I got a stack of Apple invoices here. There's a couple ways you can do receiving. Now I've got some old POs out here. This one's my new PO, so I'm just going to hit receive all on some of these old POs, and I'll hit receive all on that one. So that's all you have to do if you're receiving a PO and you just got the whole thing. You just click one button. I'm going to show you partial receipts here. Let's say we've got 150 on order, and let's say 50 came in. Let's say I don't want to close this because more are coming. I would change this to active and it would stay up. And then I'm going to receive more. And let's say another 50 came in, but this time I want to close it because they said, that's all you're going to get. So I'll hit save. And I'll go ahead and close the other two items just by saying receive all. So let's come over to our inventory. I want to look at that item. And it's going to show, here's our items here and quantities received. So these are all closed items. These have all been closed. They've all been received. We got received dates on them all. And we received 100 out of this. We're not receiving anymore because it's closed. And we did a full receive here and a full receive here. Now, let's come over to the inventory system. Let's look at the black widget real quick. If we come here, we go, oh, look at here, we've got PO receiving. There were other POs out there I received, but here they all are. They automatically come in, and we've got 100 quantity on hand right now. And we were 25 negative, because see, here's the last physical inventory. So we were 25 negative here. 12 and 12, 24 plus 1, 25. That got us to 0. And there's two 50s where we got up to 100. Because the price is $19.95, the price is still unchanged because of last in rules. Let's come over here. So we did create from inventory. We did receiving. Vendor maintenance is just nothing real exciting. It's just vendor maintenance. Contact information of your vendors, how you set up your vendors, and employee maintenance, how you set up your employees so they can issue POs, and there's some security associated with that. There's also pretty comprehensive search capabilities. Like if we want to look at only active status, you can come in here and click active. As you can see, we only have one active. So we have one open PO right now that's not currently been received. It's that one that I created that I didn't associate any detail with. You can also sort by the person requested it, or by vendor, or by PO number, or that. That's it. That's a demonstration of this system. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Best way to get me is through my website, crmwiz.com, crmwiz.com. Go there, and thank you for watching this, and stay tuned for more videos. The inventory management video is already posted on YouTube, and I'll soon work on the shipping and the order entry video demo, and you can take a look at that. Thank you very much.